Hello everyone, welcome back to our math channel Math Bridges Fun with Math. In this video, let's learn how to find the square root of non-perfect squares in just 3 seconds. In the previous video, we have seen how to find the square of the perfect numbers. Now, let's see about the non-perfect squares. Now, let's consider one example how to find the square root of 12. If you observe, square root of 12 is a non-perfect square. Two methods are there. I'll show you both the methods. Which one you feel comfortable, you can follow that one. First thing, how can we express 12? You can write it to be as square root of 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. Or else, we can consider it to be as square root of 16 minus 4. If you observe here, the first number, whatever I'm taking, it is a perfect square. 9 is a perfect square. Similarly, if I am taking a subtraction also, I am considering the first number to be as a perfect square. Means 16 minus 4 is also 12. So we will see in both the methods how we get the square root of this non-perfect square number. Now let's check the example square root of 12 in both the methods. The first one, we will take it to be as square root of 9 plus 3. The value does not change if you observe 9, 10, 11, 12. It is the same thing. So square root of a plus b. So how we'll be writing this? Square root of 9 is 3. This next step is very important. Please observe. Plus this 3 as it is you write it and divide it by 2 times 3. 2 times this 3 we are taking. The square root of 9, 3 whatever we are writing double that number. So I'm multiplying it with 2 into 3. So 2 times 3. That means 3 plus 3 by 6. If you observe 3 by 6 means it is 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, that is half. So 3 plus half means it is 0.5. So when you add 3 plus 0.5, it will get it to be as 3.5. Therefore, square root of 12 is 3.5. Now, we will see in the next method, the same square root of 12, we will take it to be as square root of 16 minus 4. We are taking subtraction operation over here. So square root of a minus b. Same as it is, this method only will follow, but here we are subtracting, that's it. Square root of 16 is 4 minus 4 as it is, you write this number divided by this one, double this number means 2 into 4. It is 4 minus 4 by 8. Again, if you observe here, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 4 by 8 is half. Half means it is 0.5, 0.5. So 4 minus 0.5, it is 3.5. So we are getting the square root of 12 to be as 3.5 in both the cases. So whatever the method is easy for you, which is convenient, you can adopt and you can do this. And check the answer using the calculator also, you will get the same answer. Let's take one more example. Now let's say square root of 28. So now we will consider the number which is closer to 28. First the perfect square. Can we take it to be as 25 plus 3? Yes, because 25 means it is 5 5s are 25. First number should be the perfect square. So without changing the value of 28, I'm writing this to be as root of 25 plus 3. Now the next steps, square root of 25 is 5. Now plus 3 as it is divided by double this number 5 means 2 into 5, this number 5, whatever the perfect square we have written here, 2 into 5 you write it. So next step 5 plus 3 by 2 5s are 10. So 5 plus 3 by 10 means it is 0.3, 0.3. So 5 plus 0.3 is 5.3. Therefore, the square root of 28 is 5.3. This is one of the easiest method where you can find the square root of the non-perfect square numbers. Now, let's take square root of 93. If you observe 93, you should get an idea that it's closer to which perfect square number. Yes, absolutely, it's 100, isn't it? So now, we will take it to be a square root of 100 minus 7. 100 minus 7 is 93. So square root of 100 is 10 minus 7 as it is by double this number 10 means 2 times 10. Multiply with 10. So 10 minus 7 by 20. Here what we can do, you can consider it to be as by 10 you take 2 into 10. So if you are taking only 7 by 2, it is half of 7 by 2 is 3.5 by 10. So the point moves, decimal moves, we will get it to be as 0.35. That will be more easy for you. Just by observation, you will get the answer. So 10 minus 0.35 is 9.65. Therefore, the square root of 93 is 9.65. We'll get the answer very quickly by using this method. Let's take a little bigger number, square root of 150. This we will consider to be as 144 plus 6. Because you can observe here 144 is the nearest number to 150 and 144 is a perfect square. Square root of 144 is 12 plus 6, as it is you write it by double this 12, means 2 into 12 we are writing. 2 times this number. So 12 plus 6 by 24. If you observe 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24. So we will get it to be as 1 by 4 here. 1 by 4 means it is 0.25. So 12 plus 0.25, it is 12.25. Therefore, square root of 150 is 12.25. Hope you find it to be very easy, this method. Now let's find out the square root of 648. Now you think little closer to 648, what is a perfect square? So we'll get it to be as 625. So 625 plus 23 is 648. Now square root of 625 is 25. So 25 is 625 plus write 23 as it is by double this 25, means 2 times 25. So we'll be taking it to be as 25 plus 23 by 50. For simpler way to calculate this one into decimal, easy technique, you multiply 50 by 2. 50 into 2. So it will be 100. So the numerator becomes 23 into 2. 46 by 100 means it is 0.46. This into 2 you do it, numerator and denominator, multiply with 2. So 23 2s are 46 and 50 2s are 100. 46 by 100 means it is 0.46. So 25 plus 0.46, it is 25.46. The square root you are getting in fraction of seconds. You can practice many more sums like this to get the non-perfect squares. Here I have given few problems, square root of 11, square root of 83, 128, 934 and square root of 235. You can give it a try and check. If you have any doubt, check with the calculator also. Almost you will get the same answer to the nearest decimals. I gave the solution slide over here. I want you all to solve the problems and then check the answers. And how to find the square roots of the perfect numbers, the link I gave it in the description. If you have any doubts, you can refer that. Like, share and subscribe to our channel, Math Bridges Fun with Math, and do share it with your friends. Thank you everyone for watching the video.